Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make amazing Spanish paella. The recipe is as simple as possible, and the result is always great. The main spice in classic paella is saffron. Why not? It's healthy and delicious. Saffron is best brewed in boiling water. We need 4 cups of water. While we start cooking, the saffron is just brewing. Pour a tablespoon of oil into the pan. The amount of oil can be as you like. Spread the oil over the pan. We spread 200 grams of your fave veggies. You can fry finely chopped onions, garlic, carrots, peppers, tomatoes, whatever you like. Vegetables add fiber to our lunch, so add 200 grams. Fry lightly. Add 200 grams of rice. I have a mixture of brown and black rice. Also fry lightly. Pour hot water with saffron into the pan. I pass it through a sieve so that the petals don't fall into the dish. Cover the pan with the lid and simmer over low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Add water as needed. In the meantime, we prep seafood. Throw 2 bay leaves, salt and seafood mixture into the boiling water. Such mixtures are filled with excess ice of unknown composition. In my case, I laid out 600 grams of seafood, and after cooking there were only 300 grams left. So it's always better to boil seafood and drain this water so that unnecessary liquid doesn't get into the dish. The total cooking time should be no more than 5 minutes, so the seafood will remain soft. We take them out of the pan using a slotted spoon. Meanwhile, the paella is almost ready. The liquid has evaporated, which means you can put seafood into it. Mix it. All is ready. If you wish, you can add spices or aromatic oils here, such as sesame or ghee oil, thereby making the dish even more healthy. Sprinkle with herbs. And we enjoy the wonderful taste of seafood. A simple, tasty and healthy dish with a Spanish origin. Subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.